May 28th, 2025. Good day, everybody. I am Connor MacIvor. Let's talk about Santa Clarita real estate and what you need to be aware of if you happen to be out there considering buying or selling anything at the present time. Looking at the inventory, we are 740 active units on the market. This is going to fluctuate up and down several each and every day. It just depends on how many properties happen to be absorbed, otherwise sold, and then how many properties have been added to the market. Looking at all of that inventory, a big question came up yesterday. When somebody's searching online, what is the best way for them to see those listings that haven't actually entered the market, but have been entered into the multiple listing service as coming? I don't know, you can't see those unless you have those emailed to you by your agent. So definitely hit them up, put you on an email drip showing you those particular listings as they get publicized, posted for sale in the MLS. Then they will, once they go active, then you can see them on the internet search systems, the different real estate syndication portals. But until then, you'll at least get a glimpse of what's happening in the local markets without falling behind. Now, if you don't have an agent, all you have to do is go to Santa Clarita openhouses.com/coming soon, and I'll be more than happy to set you up with those listings. And it works for any of the cities here in Southern California, especially Santa Clarita Valley. So please let me know what your interest is, and I'll get those out to you. Buyers need to watch out for the market when they're looking at properties. Don't be too concerned about exceeding your particular qualified for price range. The reason why I say that is because on properties, you definitely want to take into account the last sold properties. We're not seeing massive increases in the market. In fact, we're somewhat flat right now. That being the case, if sellers happen to put their properties on the market at a higher than last sold price, you might have room in there. So don't limit yourself to what their actual listing price is. And if your agent isn't willing to play ball, if they say, well, we're not going to write a lower than listing price offer, then have them back that up in writing to you so you can understand what their thought process is. But if you're seeing properties that have sold apples to apples in comparison that are less than the price of that listing or less than that listing price, and you want to make an offer in accordance with those figures, then you should be able to do so. You sellers out there, make sure your agent is advertising your listing. But first things first, always start with good professional photography. A lot of agents are shooting stuff with their phone, and that's okay, but that just doesn't do it. As far as the search engines going, when people are looking, they really like to see those all-encompassing 3D virtual tours like Matterports and those sorts of things. So see what your agent does in that regard. And also, what are they paying for advertising? Are they doing some Facebook advertising? That's good. It's powerful and it does help. I'm Connor with Honor, Santa Clarita openhouses.com. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.